In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Gmail password in mobile. So for you to get this done, what I want you to do is use Google Chrome or any browser that you have on your phone for this one. And then we're just going to go ahead and click on our profile here and then click manage your Google account. Once you click that one, you should be able to see here the security. You're going to go ahead and click that. And then what you're going to do is just scroll down till you see the password manager. So there are 81 passwords in here. I can just go ahead and click it to open it just like so. And then what you're going to do is just simply locate Google. So you have it here. I can just go ahead and click that one. And then I have to verify my identity in order for me to proceed. So go ahead and do this one real quick. So after typing your password, I want you to go ahead and click on the next button just like so. Alright, and then from here, what we are going to do is just simply locate your Gmail account here. So you should be able to write it in here. Alright, there you go. In my case, it's this one right here. So I can just go ahead and click this eye icon here in order for my password to be revealed. And yep, that is basically how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.